oh, oh. I never thought that it'd be easy, 'cause we're both so distant now. And the walls are closing in on us, and I'm wondering how. No one has a solid answer. We're just walking in the dark. You can see the look on my face, it just tears me apart. So we fly through the hurt, and we cry and grieve, and we learn, and we try and try and try and try. So it's up to you, and it's up to me, that we meet in the middle on our way back down to earth, down to earth, down to earth. Down to earth. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh. Mommy, you're always somewhere, and Daddy, I live out of town. So tell me, how could I ever be normal somehow? You tell me this is for the best, so tell me, why am I tears? A world so far away, and now I just need you here. So if I'm through the hurt, and we cry and cry